Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Monica is not present.
Very good.
Ma'am.
Now, beta, tell me, are you all ready with your copies? Your comprehension copies are with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What did we do last? We were doing something.
Ma'am,
Yes?
we have not made a comprehension copy. Ma'am, we have not made the comprehension copy.
How many of you have made, raise your hands.
Ma'am, I have made the English language copy to English comprehension.
Yes. English language copy that I told you to divide it and make the second half English comprehension, wherein you have been writing these stories and a little work that I am telling you to do. Starting from the opposites and all we started doing.
So, ma'am, we have to make a new notebook.
But not new. I told you to do it in your language copies, na? In your grammar copies. I told you to do there. I told you to divide your copies. Keep the second half for comprehension. Okay, what did we do in the last class? Tell me, I told you to write something.
Yes, the essays about you have given 2 essays. Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes.
We have written a story about cat eating
Yes.
fish.
We did that cat story. I showed you a picture, and based on that picture, you had to write a story on your own.
Ma'am, I have absent on that class.
Okay, you were absent in that class. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today what we're going to do is have you heard of this word before? Spelling bee. Have you heard before?
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, what?
Spelling bee. Spelling bee. Do you know what spelling bee is?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Spelling bee is I am going to take dictation. You have to write. We'll see if you write the correct spellings or not. Okay. So everybody get ready with your copies. I'm going to call out just general words that you use in each subject on daily basis. Yes?
Ma'am, rough copy.
Your comprehension copies. Your comprehension copies.
Ma'am, we are write the copy of your copy.
You have to write it in your copies.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, we said what we have to do.
I am calling out words. It is a kind of dictation that is going to take place. But now you would ask, ma'am, where will we get these words from? So these are general words that you use in all subjects on daily basis. These are general words that you use in all the subjects.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. It could be from science, it could be from maths, it could be from social studies, English, computer. Okay, just general words according to your age group. Now everybody is ready with the copies and pencils?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good.
Then what we have to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am, this is the comprehension period.
Yes, this is English comprehension period.
Okay, ma'am. I know it is GK, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Take out your comprehension copies. I am calling out dictation words. Write down the first word.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell you a thing?
Yes, tell.
a star bigger than the sun, and the giant star called RE3616. It is the most lightest star in our universe, and so very so much bigger than the sun, that around the sun it is the around the sun, around the R13616, the sun is like a Mercury.
Very nice, very good. Where did you gather this information from?
Ma'am, YouTube. Ma'am, but it is real by astronauts.
All right, very good, very nice. Okay. Now shall I call out the words?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Ready with your copies and pencils?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We are doing GK.
No,
Yes,
beta,
ma'am.
we are doing English comprehension. Okay? All right, the first word is
Ma'am, what is topic?
the topic is spelling bee. Look into the chat box. The topic is spelling bee. Sorry, it's B.
We have
Spelling
to write
bee.
this.
Yes, you have to write on the top the topic.
Ma'am,
And spelling B also. That you will
Spelling
write
bee.
on.
Yes, it's spelling bee.
ma'am, we have to write in the copy.
Yes, you have to write in your copies. Shall we begin?
have to do?
Who is asking this? What we have to do?
Okay, ma'am.
You have to, I'm calling out dictation words you have to do in your comprehension copy. Okay, this is for the last time that I'm telling.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please give me 1
what
minute.
we write the heading? Ma'am, what we write the heading?
The heading is in the chat box, spelling bee.
Ma'am, what to do?
Children, ready with your copies?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The first word is
Spelling bee. Spelling bee.
spelling bee is the heading of your work, of your today's work. Put today's date and start writing. The first word is
To write all these 3 words.
these are just 2 words, beta. Spelling bee, spelling bee. That's it. Spelling and bee. Bee is what? Honeybee. Honeybee. You know what a honeybee is? Spelling bee. This is what you have to write. Again, I have sent in the chat box. See.
Please tell first word.
The first word is a very easy word. Gift. Gift. Everybody can write gift. It's a simple word.
It
Yes.
is very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have write the gift word.
Nobody will speak now. Everybody mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. If I find anybody speaking anything, I'm going to put that person out from the class.
Okay, ma'am.
And if you have to ask anything, type in the chat box or just raise your hand. Okay? The second word is health.
What is the second word?
Health. The second word is health. The first word gift, second word health. The
Ma'am,
third
it
word
is health.
health, your health. The next word is
Vidanshu, put the word in chat box.
okay. Why is Vedanshu putting these words in the chat box? Vedanshu, anyone has said you to do so? You have to write it in your copies, not in the chat box. Then the next word after health is stairs. The next word is stairs. I repeat all the words.
Stairs.
Gift, health, stairs. Written?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of stairs?
Beta, stairs are, what are stairs? Yes, stairs are steps. How do you go, like if you want to go to the terrace of your house, how will you go? You have to take the stairs to go there. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. It like. Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of stairs?
That is what you have to write. I will tell you the spelling in the end, the correct spellings. Write whatever you think can the spellings be. The next word is half. The next word is half. Full and half. You know?
Now we are full and half.
Ma'am,
No, better you have to
Now
write.
what is the next word?
The word
what
is
is the next-
half. Half. I'm telling you which half so that you don't get confused.
we have to write full and half.
Better only half.
Ma'am, like 10 past half. That the biscuit, the cake is half.
The next word is 100. 100. Yes.
The word.
The next word is
100.
100. 100. 100.
Ma'am, spelling. We have to write spelling.
Yes. Yes, you have to write spelling.
Ma'am, what is the third word?
I'll repeat all the words from the beginning. Gift, health, stairs, half, 100. Then the next one is Tuesday.
Ma'am, what is the next word after 100?
Tuesday.
And what is sixth word?
Sixth word is
Tuesday. Ma'am, Thursday is a very easy word.
Ma'am, what is the next word?
the next word after Tuesday is afraid. Afraid.
Ma'am, straight. Afraid.
Afraid.
Then we have to write a great.
Oh, beta, it is afraid. Afraid.
Afraid.
Written.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Then after afraid, it is kitchen. Kitchen.
Ma'am, what is the seventh one? Afraid.
Afraid.
Afraid. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Then after afraid, it is kitchen. Kitchen.
Ma'am, after
What is the
the
next one?
What?
Ma'am, what is the next one?
Yes, the next word is together.
Together.
ma'am, what
Together.
is the word after kitchen?
Together. Together. Then the next word is
Complete.
wait. You want me to wait?
What is the ma'am? I am leave because of the network problem.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, afraid I have right.
Then
What is
after
ma'am?
afraid, it's kitchen. After kitchen, it is together. Now after together, it is Saturday.
Today is Friday and
Saturday.
next day is Saturday.
Ma'am,
Today is Friday,
after
beta.
ma'am, what after kitchen?
Saying today
Saturday.
is Friday and next day is Saturday.
No, after kitchen, it is together.
Okay, ma'am.
And ma'am, what is the next one after together?
Write the Saturday spelling.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
September. Sorry, Saturday.
Saturday. Then, shall I call out the next word?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
after together.
After together, it is beta Saturday.
And ma'am, what is the next word after Saturday?
The next word after Saturday is disappear. You know the meaning of disappear?
Ma'am, damage. Again. Ma'am Zoya is writing in chat box.
Zoya, beta, you don't have to
Ma'am,
write.
after
Don't write.
Saturday. Ma'am, after Saturday.
After Saturday, it is disappear.
This ma'am, after Saturday.
Disappear.
Ma'am, this appear.
Yes, disappear. Disappear.
Next word.
Wait, beta, wait. Let
Why next
everybody
word?
write.
Ma'am, after Saturday, which word?
Disappear.
This.
Yes.
Ma'am, please repeat the.
All right. Now from the beginning, I'm going to call out all the words. The first word is gift, health. Number 3 is stairs. Number 4, half. Number 5, 100. Number 6, Tuesday. Number 7, afraid. Number 8, kitchen. Number 9, together. Then after together, it's Saturday. After Saturday,
Ma'am,
it is
ma'am,
disappear.
ma'am, I have read disappear.
All right. Till here, everyone has written all the words.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of
Yes, ma'am.
shed?
Yes,
Ma'am, we
Yes.
have to write never spelling of shed.
What is the spelling of chat?
Ma'am, shed.
Strat. Stairs. Are you
Ma'am,
asking
he
about
is asking.
stairs?
Ma'am, he is asking for straight. Straight.
Riddhi Agarwal, do you want to know the spelling of straight?
Ma'am, straight.
Stairs. Okay. One word that I called out was stairs. So I'm going to tell the spellings, beta. Just wait. Write down 15 words and then I'm going to tell the spellings. Then the next word is neighbor. Neighbor.
Ma'am, please repeat the word again because my network is very slow at that time. I leave.
Okay. All the words. Just wait. Gift. Health. Stairs. Half. 100. Tuesday. Afraid. Kitchen. Together. Saturday. Disappear. And neighbor. Now the next word is
What is the spelling of
what? What, beta?
Ma'am, difficult.
neighborhood.
Only neighbor. Only neighbor. The next word is office. Office.
Ma'am, please tell the next word after neighbor.
Beta, after neighbor, it is office.
Office.
Yes.
I'm done.
After office, it is trouble. Trouble.
Ma'am, what is after neighbor?
After neighbor, it is office. After office,
Roger.
it is trouble.
Study.
Ma'am, what is spelling of ma'am? What is next word of neighbor?
Ma'am, which page number we have studied?
Who is asking this question? My favorite question.
Ma'am, Ansha.
Insha, beta, we are not studying from any book. It is English comprehension period going on.
Yes, ma'am.
That I make you do in every class. I make you do something different and new. We do not follow any book of comprehension. Okay, every time I tell this. And listen,
Ma'am, after office.
Unsha.
Ma'am, we
What
will.
is the last?
Children,
the last word?
Children, can't you hear that I'm talking to Unsha? Is it good to speak in between?
Ma'am, please tell
Not
neighbor
one English comprehension book.
what is the next
Beta,
word
there
of
is
neighbor?
no. Riddhi Agarwal, just mute yourselves and don't speak in between. Let me finish talking to Unsha. Beta, Unsha, we do not follow any book in comprehension. I have told you on day one that there is no book that we are going to follow. We are just doing general topics of English. Secondly, the time of your class is 8:55. You should be in your class at 8:55. At 9:20, you are joining the class and you are breaking the rhythm of the class. You're asking me what we are doing, which book are we doing, and all that. The class is already gone for 30 minutes. 25 minutes are already over. And next time, please don't join my class so late.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Riddhi, ask what you are asking.
Ma'am, please tell next word.
After trouble. Now, the 14th word was trouble. After trouble, the next word is machine.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of travel? Ma'am, what is
12th word is neighbor. Neighbor.
What is 13?
Office.
Ma'am, what is after trouble?
After trouble,
What is after neighbor?
beta, after trouble, it is machine. After
मम्मी
neighbor,
ट्रबल की स्पेलिंग क्या है?
God.
Ma'am, after neighbor.
Beta, after neighbor, it is office.
Ma'am, please tell trouble spelling.
Trouble.
Ma'am, what is 14th one?
14th word is trouble.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of machine?
Now I'm typing all the spellings in the chat box. All of you, please see how many mistakes you made. And you have to be very honest with yourself, children. If you made a mistake, then tell, yes, this spelling was wrong. Okay? Let's start from the first word. This was a very simple word. The word was gift. Everybody check in the chat box that you have written this spelling only.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Then
Yes, ma'am.
the
Yes,
second,
ma'am.
the second
Ma'am,
word
my
was
spelling is
health.
correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen, children. Only those children whose spelling will be wrong, they will say, ma'am, mine is wrong. Okay? Nobody will speak in between. After health, the word was stairs. After stairs, it was half.
Yes, ma'am.
After half, it was 100. Now, children, out of these 5 words, whose all the words are correct?
Ma'am, my all are correct.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, my all are correct.
Okay. Very nice, children. Very nice. Now, the 6th word is The next word is Tuesday.
Yes. Correct.
Then after Tuesday, we have the 7th word, afraid. Then after afraid, we have 8th word, kitchen. Then the 9th word is together.
Yes, ma'am, I correct.
Very good. Then the 10th word is
Ma'am, I also all correct.
Saturday.
Yes, ma'am, I also.
Now, till these 10 words, whose all the words are correct?
Ma'am,
Okay. How many of you have one word wrong? How many of you have one spellings wrong till here? Okay, which one is wrong, Vamika?
I'm afraid.
Afraid. Okay. Anybody else whose one word is wrong?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Which one, beta? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Ashray. Which one is wrong?
I'm afraid.
Afraid. All right. Now, let's move on to the 11th word, that is disappear. Now,
yes, ma'am, I correct.
but Yuvraj, what you have typed in the chat box is wrong. This is not disappeared. Disappear. Then the 12th word is
Ma'am, what is the spelling of disappear?
DISAPPEAR. Disappear.
Ma'am, I correct. Ma'am,
Very
I
nice.
also correct.
Very nice.
Ma'am, I also.
Okay. Then after neighbor. Neighbor we have office. Then after office.
Ma'am, please send the spelling in the chat box.
I don't understand why children start typing in the chat box. Have I told anybody to type in the chat box?
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please send the neighbor spelling.
Yes, beta. Nobody will type in the chat box now. See, it's disappear, neighbor, office, trouble. All the spellings I have sent in the chat box. Then the last one was
Ma'am,
machine. Yes.
Ma'am, my wrong spelling is neighbor and travel.
Okay, very nice. Very honest. Very good. Who else?
Ma'am, my spelling is machine. Ma'am, my all correct. Ma'am,
One was wrong.
Ma'am, my all correct.
Ma'am, I all correct.
Ma'am, my all correct.
Ma'am, all correct.
All correct.
Ma'am, I all correct.
Gupta.
Am I too wrong and all correct?
Okay, Akshata Tiwari.
Ma'am, I have done all correct.
Akshata Tiwari, how many wrong have you done?
Ma'am, all are correct.
Very nice. Okay, Bhavya, how many are wrong? How many mistakes have you made?
I have not made any mistake.
Very nice. Okay, Riddhi Agarwal.
Ma'am, I am not make any mistake.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am saying my 14th word is.
All right.
Very good.
Now next time I'll have a class with you. I will give you a little difficult words. I think these were too simple for you. These words were too
Yes,
easy
ma'am.
for your level. Now next time, whenever we'll have this activity, I'm going to give you a
Yes,
little
ma'am.
difficult words. Okay?
Yes, sir. Funny.
All right.
Bye, ma'am. Yes.
Ashray. Ashray,
Yes, ma'am.
how many how many mistakes have you made?
Ma'am, 2. And
Okay.
all are correct.
All right. Very nice. Very good. Ashray, which are those two words?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, update and disappeared.
All right. Okay.
ma'am, you all are correct. Ma'am, first the gift, second SEH help, third
Beta, everybody
Yes.
mute yourself.
They are afraid to join together Saturday neighborhood
The class will
floral
get over in 2 minutes. See, what is this? Manika Gangwar, your disappeared is wrong, your trouble is wrong, your machine is wrong. 3 spellings, 3 I can see here only, they are wrong. Very good, Agrita Bhardwaj. See, she's so honest. She's honestly telling her mistakes, that she has made 4 mistakes. Very nice. Very good, Agrita.
also 4 mistakes.
Okay. Very nice. Now, whosoever has made
Bye,
mistakes,
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for teaching us.
whosoever has made mistakes,
Bye,
please
ma'am.
make the
Thank
correction.
you, ma'am.
All right?
Ma'am, thank you for teaching the class. Bye.
Beta, who is saying bye?
Ma'am, please see my.
Agarwal. Ma'am, Riddhi Agarwal.
I have removed Riddhi Agarwal. Who else was saying bye?
I don't know.
Yes.
Ma'am, Unsha.
Unsha, you want to leave the class? Shall I remove you? Okay. Now see, those who have made mistakes, please make the correction right now. Manika Gangwar. Manika Gangwar is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, how many mistakes have you made?
Ma'am, 3.
3 mistakes. Okay, so have you done the correction?
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, do the correction, no? What is the point if you people make mistakes and you don't correct them? How will you learn? You have to?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, machine.
Yes, machine,
Take my
trouble, and disappeared.
trouble disappear.
All right, children, so that's all for today.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, bye, ma'am.
All right, beta, bye to all of you.
Teacher, guys.